Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy A33 and I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting to your device. So as you can see here we've got our phone. The first thing we need to do is opening the settings. Here you need to go to connections and now straight to Bluetooth. Here tap the info icon near your headphones and your Bluetooth device, and here hit Unpair button. Unpair. Of course, if you got the chance to pair your phone with your device. Now turn off the Bluetooth. Here now after this you need to turn on your Bluetooth and try connecting to your device back again. It should work for you and now everything should be fine. If it is not fine still, you need to go even deeper. Restart your phone by holding volume down and power buttons. Restart and restart. Then after doing so, you need to perform a factory reset on your device. I mean, it's not necessary, but it's actually quite useful. If you don't want to do it, you can just turn it off and then turn it back on. You need to check of course your earbuds, the Bluetooth device, if it is not default. You need to try connecting your device to a different phone, like for example your mother's phone or your brother's phone or your kid's phone. I have no idea actually, but you need to connect your device to a different phone, different source. If it doesn't work, your headphones are at fault, not your phone, so you need to just fix your headphones by performing this factory reset or searching for a video on our channel of how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues. However, if your Bluetooth device works fine, if your Bluetooth device works fine on other devices, but on your private phone doesn't want to work nice, you need to fix your phone. So what to do after the reset? You need to open the settings in your phone, and here now you need to scroll all the way down to the general management. Here tap reset, and here now reset network settings right here. Confirm that by tapping reset network settings. As you can see, it resets mobile data, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And if it didn't work too, you need to scroll down in the settings main menu to the software update. Here download and install the update, that is right here. As you can see, I've got One UI 5, which is Android 13. If you get it, update your phone to the latest version. If it's some small update, not One UI 5 or other, just small bug fix, update it still because it may be useful. That's it, bye.